And this is Raj Gaur. And as we all know that in today's generation, if we want to get success, so there are only three ways. First one is private jobs. Second one is government jobs. And the last but not the least is business. As everybody want to get succeed in their life, so everybody has chance to choose their career in all the three fields. So my question is that which one is the best, or the success ratio also we can talk about. So let me start with the government job people, that why are you supporting government jobs only?
If we talk about the government jobs, they are so much required in our generation, but it's too difficult to go in that jobs. But in private, they selected through only with the interview. But in government jobs, they are doing their 4 5 years of hard work in there. So if after that the 5 years of hard work will pay off in the lifetime, you can earn a very much amount of money in your lifetime, and there are also a benefit of pensions and all of that. So in private sectors, there is no after payments or a retirement money. So what your thoughts on that?
Yes, guys, please take a look.
Okay, so I'm just asking to first your question. You are talking about a lot of money. So how much you earn maximum in government job? How much maximum? Yeah, it's a very
1
simple
lakh, 2
question.
lakh,
And you know what?
approx 2
This is
upper the
the
2 lakh.
this is the reality of India in our country. You can earn maximum 2 lakh per month in government job. And you know what is the maximum package in private job in our country? Have you any idea?
No, I don't have any idea.
No, I am
That's
just
why I
asking.
am in a government
No,
job.
I am just asking a simple question.
Okay.
What is the maximum package of private job in our country?
Maybe 80 70,000.
This is the reason of lack of knowledge.
Oh.
And the maximum package of our country in private job is around 60 lakh, 1 crore maximum.
That's a
And
great
depend on your-
opportunity if you are on that level.
It's a depend on your knowledge, qualification, and experience. And
Do you really know about the UPSC aspirant salary?
I know the maximum salary package of doesn't matter. It's a IS officer, it's a IPS officer, but maximum salary not more than around 2 lakh rupees.
In government job, they are very respectful jobs, and in private, I don't think so. They are very much taking the importance of an employee. They just kick out if the boss was caused angry with you or not interested in you. They will just kick out in private jobs, but in government jobs they can't kick you out with this job.
Okay. So this is the reality of private job. Actually, if I want any government job, so firstly, I should have learned from. I should find best coaching nearby my house, and it take around 4 year, 5 year to. And it's depend on luck and hard work also. But in the scenario of private job, if I want any type of private job as per my qualification, as per my knowledge and experience, next day I will get it. Due to my reference, due to my knowledge, there are a lot of options in private job, like finance sector, like sales, medical field. There are so many options.
Okay, guys, I agree. As you are saying, in government job, there is respect, there is a security of a job. On the other hand, we get high packages in private sectors. But on the other hand, we have business field also. So let's ask to the people that why business field is best, or why should we go for doing a business.
Our economy depend totally business, because businessmen give higher employ, and our economy totally depend on business, because our country business grow, so our country grow. So that's it.
Yes. Anybody else would like to comment on it?
If business is not there in any country, there is not private job is there. Private job is
Comes from business.
comes from business. Or in, I think in government job, some government companies are there. They provide government jobs. If not government companies are there, the public sector will shrink.
Okay. Ayush, you would like to comment?
As he say that businesses depend on the economic fluctuation, it is very important because in India the import export is all completely based on the business. But now we are talking about our generation, our interest. So first of all, the interest matter. Then you will be grow in your future. According to me, business is the best way to implement ourselves. But it depend on me. What my skill, what we I want to do in my future, and depends on the thing. Ki how would I invest my things, my struggles, hard work, etc. And according to we are talking about a country, so it is the most fluctuation way in the present time. But depends on the government issues, the political systems, the running way what we are going in India. This is the main implementation. What we can say that. This is the best way, but if we give the subsidies, many options, many government supports, then the people will grow on business.
Definitely, I agree with you. But as we see that if we are preparing for any government exam, so definitely we need 4 to 5 years to prepare or to crack any government exams. Just like if we talk about the constable exams, even so, it takes 3 to 4 years to prepare, and after getting after preparation, even you don't have any security or any guarantee to clear that exams. But on the other hand, there is a private employees or private people are there. They are supporting private field. So in private fields, we have the higher chances to get succeed. If any particular field we are giving 4 to 5 years, so definitely chances are very high to get succeed. You can easily get 50 to 60,000 there. On the other hand, these people have no securities. And if I talk about the business field, so if somebody is starting any kind of business, I agree ki in business you get a lot of money, you will have a luxurious life. But on the other hand, the dark side is also there. If you don't get selected, if you don't have your business on the top, so you will have to face many problems. Just like you will have to first, you will have to face the financial problem, which is the biggest problem we can say in the age of 20 to 25. There will be no one who will support you. And as BC, as you talked about the government, so government is also not supporting the people who wants to start their business. So my question is that how government can support the people who wants to start their business?
Government, I'm just talking about the policies, the income tax systems, the GST issues. There are so many legal issues. The person who is, I'm from also business field, business family. My father is, we are on a stable business, but there are many legal issues, many documentations, also suffering from many things. Suppose we don't earn this type of amount on a particular budget amount on this month, but we have to show on the in the paper. This amount we have to prefer on, we have to show the income tax issues. There are so many things, but the government also can help us because of some policies. And I'm just talking not I'm just talking about a simple businesses. Suppose I want to start my business, so my main way is to start my skills. My depends on, I just don't want to see that I will we become a very rich person where I will get a very luxurious life. Firstly, I want to prove myself. I want to start my setup. Our think process, our mental process is also be very helpful to achieve the things.
Okay, so next question is from Vishalji. Do you want to support private sector or private field, and why are you opposing these business and government sector?
Sir, first of all, first point is if you are a beginning stage, so you got very easily private job. Whereas we can talk about government job, you have to prepare 4 to 5 as you are saying. And about business, you have to manage many things. There are too many obstacles to start a business like capital, and where there are too many high risk of chances. So private job is got very easily, and there are so many benefits in private job. Like you got easily promotion like 2 to 3 years, and there are PFs funds and gratuity. There are also available in private jobs. So it is help in private job. Whereas government job, you have to prepare yourself 4 to 5 years, and there at that situation, the possibility of getting chances of government job is very less. So private job is best from my point of view.
Okay. So let me ask the next questions to Chika. That why do you want to support business field?
Sir, because if you do hard work and take a risk, so you go in business sector, because business sector is also depend all India. So that's why I'm talking.
You are supporting business field.
Yeah.
That's why. Yes, Ruchika. Why are you supporting government sector?
So I am talking about the benefits of government jobs.
Yes.
Government jobs are safe and secure, and there is no fear to losing the job. And working hard is fixed in government job, and government job gives respect in society, and government job is risk free, and business and private sector is not a risk free. That's why I am supporting government job.
Yeah, one thing I agree about the government job employee or government job people who are in government job is that they get respect. The biggest thing is that if a person is there who is 25-year-old, he or she is in a government job, definitely he will find a good match for him. On the other hand, the person is in private job, so it will be a difficult task for him to search a good match. Just because of the society or the mindset, what you guys think on it? It is just about a mindset, or really it values, or it has some reasons? Who would like to answer on it? Anyone can. Yes, please, Yogesh ji.
I think it's depend on mindset of our society. Our society was thinking right now, government's job is always safe. Government job, government employee always earn very much compared than private job. But it's not reality. Reality is everyone earn according their knowledge, according their experience. If I will got any type of government job, so firstly I have to invest on that, and nobody wants to see my hard work and failure face. Everyone wants to see my success face always. If I will cluster manager, regional manager, or CEO of any company, so many of people give me and use me as example to show other people, obviously. But depend on our salary and our position and post also. So if you are a constable and I am a CEO, so please answer me. Who would you like to give more response and more respect?
Definitely see you.
Obviously, so CE belong from private job. Obviously, so it's a depend on post and position. Similarly, if a person is come from IS, if a person is a IS and other person is a just normal salesman, so obviously society will give more respect to IS. So it's a depend on earning money, depend on post and position. But what I am saying, in the face of business and private, so there are very less chances to got success compared than private job. So there are many options in private job, and you can earn success, you can live a luxurious life. So you have many options in private job.
Okay, now my question is that, as you people are saying, in government job, the earning is only 2 lakhs or 2.5 lakhs in a month. But on the other hand, if a person is an IAS officer or an IPS officer, so there are many facilities which were provided by a government, which is not easy to find like in government, private sector, or in business also. Like a person is IAS officer, so in every city wherever he go, he will get a good bungalow for him, right? Many employees like a driver, security guard for him, also a cook for his house, and many more good things. Like always wherever he go, he will get travel allowance also, and in his car he will get good luxurious car, you can say. So these are kind of facilities are getting in government job only. So my question is from business class people.
Success ratio is very low in government job, because a lot of students prepare a lot of student prepare UPSC, but not clear. Around according to me, 5% chance for selection. So this is very difficult. In business, the growing chance is high as compared to, सर वो बिजनेस में ग्रो होने के चांस ज़्यादा हैं एज कम्पेयर टू गवर्नमेंट जॉब.
Okay. Anybody else would like to comment on this?
And if you do government job or a private job, you can only fulfill your needs. But if you do business, you comes your dream, what you do in your life and your dreams. So that's my point.
So you are saying right that UPSC, IAS, IPS get a very respective life. I agree with you, but there is a harsh reality. If the IAS and IPS officer who is completely honest to ask to think about them, the person who is not surviving a very good life, the government also give the very